To use the equation editor in the New York State grades 3 through 8 testing program question sampler, you're going to go to the gray bar where it says select a subject, click math. In the next box over, you're going to click the grade level you'd like to practice with. I'm going to click grade 5. And then where it says select the test, go to equation editor sampler. Then click start test. The accommodations are there in case you need them. If not, click continue. You're going to go in and you will see all of the same directions that are in the main test, so the kids can go through all of these as well to continue with that practice. If you'd rather they skip them, all they need to do is click the X in the upper right corner of the direction slide. When you're at the end, click start test, and you're going to get 5 equation editor problems. The way these are set up is that you have just the directions to use the space below to answer the question your teacher has provided you. You're going to be giving a question to your students either embedded in the day's lesson or an extra question that you posted somewhere in your classroom. The students will practice showing their work and answering the question right here using the equation editor. As I said, this is question 1. If I toggle to the next question, it'll give me question 2, question 3, and all the way to question 5. They all look the same. So again, I have the same tools down at the bottom to look at, the zoom, the bookmark, the note. Here's where I could click my reference sheet. If I'd like to pop that up, that's the 5th grade reference sheet. This one, besides having the ruler, also has a protractor, which I could pop that up, move that around and use that as well. If I'm all done with it, I just X out of it. If I'm looking up in my show your work section, you can use the box with a pencil in it as your drawing tool. A drawing box will come up. The students can then draw a picture using this box. For instance, if I drew a square, they can draw the picture and they can draw in numbers if they'd like, however they want to do it. I've seen students draw arrays with this. I've seen students draw number bonds. Whatever you've taught them to do, they can draw them online using the drawing tool in the equation editor. When they're all done with it, they're going to click add drawing, and now the drawing is going to be right in that equation editor bar. If the students would rather this is a little bit bigger, they can draw this or drag it bigger so they can see everything, which sometimes helps. When I'm done, I'm going to go down underneath, and I can use any of the tools on the top to practice drawing or writing an equation. So they have the orders of operation, they have the adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. They have equal, greater than, less than, or greater than and equal to. And if you would like them to have a vertical problem, they can click these. Mixed fractions, or numbers with exponents. There are many different options for them up here, and I suggest you give them plenty of opportunities to try all the different types of equation tools that are here. For instance, if I wanted to do a mixed fraction, I simply click it. Wherever it's blue, if I click in the blue box, I can then type in the number. I can toggle down by clicking a tab or just using my cursor to type in there. Again, the more variety of problems that they have, practicing showing their work inside the show their work box, and then typing their answer or writing an equation with their answer in the answer box will be really helpful. I encourage you to do this as much as possible. Go through as many questions as you'd like. They can go through this multiple times. It'll reset to a blank screen each time they log out of the site and back in again.